I want to talk to you about personal credit cards for bad credit from a big national bank. The thing is that when you have poor credit, it can be really complicated, if not impossible, to get an unsecured credit card, right? But in today's conversation, I will prove you wrong because I'll share with you a few unsecured credit cards that you can get that can really help you build credit big time. But in today's conversation, what I want to do is that I want to really share with you a combination of secured and unsecured credit cards for bad credit from big banks. First, I want to share with you, the first card I want to share with you is Chase Freedom Rise. So this is an unsecured credit card, and this is actually meant for folks who have fair and bad credit. Okay, and this card is kind of cool because you are able to have a 1.5% cash back on all purchases. You have a $25. You actually receive a $25 bonus for enrolling in automatic payments because Chase is trying to really make sure that they are rewarding you for good behavior. So if you enroll in automatic payments, you are getting $25 bonus right away. So that's kind of cool. And the card has no annual fee. And so this card is actually great for you if you are new to credit and you are also a student. Okay, either you're new to credit or you are a student. Okay, so this is kind of cool. You can start building credit while earning, and this is a good thing, while earning 1.5% cash back on all purchases. All purchases. That's kind of cool. So Chase Freedom Rise unsecured credit card, fantastic. And this with this card, you get a balance. You get a credit limit of 250 all the way to $2,500. That's kind of cool. Next, you have the City Secured MasterCard. So this is, as the name implies, this is a secured credit card. This is not an unsecured credit card. This is a secured credit card, which means that you are basically you have to put down some deposits for City to match it with the credit limit. But this card is great because you can build credit history real fast, and City will review your account every 3 to 6 months and will actually upgrade you as soon as they see progress. So this is really fantastic. And credit limit here, you're looking at $2,000 all the way to $2,500. If you are looking for personal credit cards for bad credit from banks, I want you to think about the Truist Cash Rewards credit card. And this is an unsecured credit card. So you don't have to really put down any deposit to actually qualify for this card, okay? And this card actually is a cashback credit card. You are able to, you can earn unlimited cashback rewards. You choose how. You can earn, for instance, 3% cashback on gas and EV charging. You can earn 2% on utilities and groceries. So that's kind of cool. But this, they are capping you at 1,000 monthly spend cap, okay? So, and you also have 1% on all other eligible purchases. Or you can choose to earn 1.5% on all eligible purchases if you don't like the whole category thing. Okay, the card is actually great because if you have bad credit, there is you have the potential to have up to $5,000 in credit limits, no annual fee. You have a loyalty cash bonus. You can earn 10% to 50% loyalty bonus based on your Truist deposit relationship. That's kind of cool. And you have 0% intro APR on purchases for 12 months. Think about that, 12 months. That's really fantastic. You also have a 3% fee, okay, that applies to each transfer. So just be aware of that. But overall, fantastic card. You will love it, okay? Another card I want to share with you if you have bad credit and you're looking for a great credit card from a big national bank, I want to share with you the Bank of America customized cash reward secured. Again, as the name implies, this is a secured credit card, okay? The first one was unsecured, the second one secured, the third one unsecured, the fourth one, this one secured. So this card actually helps you build credit while earning 3% cash back in the category you choose. So you have to choose the category you want, and Bank of America will actually will match it. Okay, 3% cash back in the category of your choice. Automatic 2% cash back at grocery stores and wholesale clubs. on the first 2,500 in a combined choice category, grocery store, wholesale club, and 1% unlimited cashback on all other purchases. And credit limits, you are looking at $200 all the way to $5,000. Again, this is a secured credit card, which means you are putting deposit down, and they will take that deposit to actually fund your credit limit. Next, I want you to think about Life Visa credit card. So if you're looking for a personal credit card for bad credit from banks, think about Life Visa credit card. This is an unsecured credit card, okay? So you don't have to put any down payment. And this card allows you to enjoy a longer introductory interest rate to help you manage finances and unexpected events in life. So you are looking at 0% intro APR for 15 months. That's kind of cool. 15 months. You don't pay anything at all, okay? You are able to earn cash back with Regions offers. There is no annual fee, okay, on this card. This is really fantastic. Just be aware that this card actually has a high APR, okay? So you're looking at 16 to 27%. But there is no foreign transaction fee on this card, okay? This is kind of cool. Fantastic card if you have bad credit. You're looking for a personal credit card from a big bank. Think about this card. What I love about this card also is that this card allows you to do way more, okay? You can do way more with this card. Let me explain here. You are like basically Regions like it gives you the power to customize how, when, and where your credit card can be used for certain transactions. This is kind of cool in terms of safety, in terms of fraud prevention. Okay, and you may receive term offers on qualifying purchases after intro APRs terminate. So that's kind of cool. You're able to use the Regions app very productively. In other words, you can view and activate Regions offers in online and mobile banking to earn cash back at select retailers. And also, basically, you have simplified online shopping when you register your Regions credit card, and then click to pay, where you actually see the icon of Visa, click to pay icon. Okay, but long story short, this card is really great. If you have a FICO score below 579, this card allows you to actually, to have a new life again in terms of credit. Okay, I mean, this is unsecured. You have an auto rental collision damage waiver. You have travel and emergency assistance. You have Visa zero liability policy, purchase security, extended warranty protection. Fantastic. If you have bad credit and you're looking for a personal credit card from a big bank, I want you to think about PNC Secured Visa credit card. This is a secured credit card, okay? And you're able to get a maximum credit limit of $2,500. So that you have to really make a refundable security deposit, and that security deposit actually goes from $300 all the way to $2,500. This is pretty decent. Pretty decent. And so the security deposit will be used to establish your new credit limit. And the cool thing is that PNC will continuously monitor your account, and if they see progress, they'll basically upgrade you to an unsecured credit card. But the card itself is really fantastic because it allows you to establish, strengthen, or build your credit real fast. Okay. Now the card itself doesn't have any benefits like any cash back or any rewards benefits. This card is strictly to actually help you build credit real fast. Another secured credit card I want you to think about is the U.S. Bank Altitude Go Secured Visa card. Again, this is a secured credit card, but this card, the difference is that this card allows you to earn up to 4x points while building credit. Okay, so PNC didn't have any rewards. U.S. Bank Altitude Go Secured Visa card has lots of benefits. You can open the door to better credit card usage and get rewarded for your everyday spending. You want to start with the security deposit of $300 all the way to $5,000 and enjoy $0 annual fee. There's no annual fee on this card. What I love about the card is actually the series of of benefits. Like you have Forex points on dining, takeout, and restaurant delivery on your first $2,000 every quarter. You have 2x points at grocery stores and gas stations, EV charging stations, 2x points on streaming services, 1x point on all other eligible purchases. Okay, that's kind of cool. Plus, the good thing is that you have a $15 credit for annual streaming service purchases such as Netflix and Spotify. So this is really fantastic. You have a lot of a lot of possibilities with this card. And by the way, when I say streaming services, not just Spotify though, you have Amazon Music, Apple Music, Audible, Bully Sports Plus, DirecTV Stream, Discovery Plus, Disney Plus, you name it. Okay, you have lots of possibilities. If you have bad credit and you're looking for a personal credit card from a big bank, I want you to think about TD. So TD Bank has the TD Clear Visa Platinum credit card, and actually this is a combo of two credit cards, and those two are all unsecured. So this is kind of cool. Now you have to choose which card you want to go for. Okay, you can go for the TD Clear. The TD Clear has a $1,000 credit limit maximum, and the TD Clear, there's another TD Clear has a 2,000 credit limit. So what TD Bank is doing here is that the bank is actually assigning a credit limit to you based on your poor credit score, and basically on how poor your credit score is, but also on other financial information that you have provided during the application process. Because you may have a bad credit, but you may be doing well in terms of your income, for instance. In that case, they will give you the TD Clear 2,000 credit limits. Okay, but I just want you to know that you have two credit cards with TD, and those two credit cards are unsecured. You don't have to put down any deposits to actually enjoy the cards. So if you think about these cards, you have no late payment or foreign transaction fees. So that's kind of cool. You can enjoy Visa benefits like cell phone protection, emergency card replacement, and Visa zero liability. That's kind of cool. And so if you think about the first card, the TD Clear with $1,000 credit limit, you have a $10 monthly fee, and you have a $45 predictable minimum payment inclusive of the monthly fee. What about the TD Clear with the 2,000 credit limit? Well, this card gives you a $2,000 credit limit, as the name implies. You have a $20 monthly fee, and you have a $70 predictable minimum payment, inclusive of the monthly fee. So this is actually a TD Bank giving options to those people who have less than stellar credit. Another personal credit card for bad credit from a bank is the Key Secured credit card. And this card actually is a secured credit card. In other words, you have to put down deposit, okay? But the cool thing about this card is that it gives you a faster itinerary to building your credit real fast. And even better, KeyBank is going to review your account every 3 months. Big banks like to review accounts like this every 6 months, but KeyBank is making an exception, and they will review your account every 3 months to see if there is progress. And if they see some solid progress, they could actually upgrade you real fast. Okay, so this is kind of cool. And so this secure credit card has no maximum credit limit. So if you put down 10,000, KeyBank will give you 10,000. Okay. The minimum though is 300 minimum. Okay. That's important. And so your security deposit must be kept in a Key Active Saver account, so you can save money while you work on your credit. So you can actually build your credit with this card. Okay. This is kind of cool. And basically you can make progress real fast. So every 3 months, KeyBank is going to look at your progress. Just remember that, okay? This is a very boost. This is a very encouragement, like a very big encouragement boost if you think about it. Knowing that the bank is looking at your files every 3 months, it's pretty good. On top of that, you have an app. You can use the Key app, okay, which is really great because it allows you to check out quickly and securely with contactless tap and go technology. You have all the benefits of a MasterCard, and you also can opt in to view your FICO score anytime without impacting your credit score. Okay, to do so, you have to go to a Key Bank online and mobile banking. So this is really fantastic. Okay, and so overall, fantastic card. And the only thing is that the minimum interest charge is 50 cents, and the regular APR for this card is 27.24%. And the late payment fee is up to $40. So don't forget to actually pay whatever you charged on this card. This is really important. If you're looking for a personal credit card for bad credit from a big bank, I want you to think about BMO Boost Secure Credit Card. BMO Boost Secured Credit Card. So this is a secure credit card that allows you to also, get back on track, real fast. This is kind of cool. I mean, what I love about this card is that, first of all, BMO is a fantastic institution, great customer service, okay, great products, and they're getting bigger too. I mean, they used to be relatively smaller back in the days, but after the acquisition of the Bank of the West in California, they actually grew big time, okay, big time. So that's kind of cool. This card allows you to really rebuild your credit real fast, rebuild or build your credit real fast. You can use the card for everyday purchases, and you can boost your credit by making regular on-time payments. Okay, so this is kind of cool. And within the BMO dashboard, they have a tool. They have a credit management tool that allows you to monitor your financial progress. Okay, so this tool is available. This tool is accessible via the app or actually through their desktop. Okay, so their desktop application. So this is something to really think about. Okay, but overall, what I love about this card is that not only can you see progress real fast, they also review you. Now they're not as frequent in reviewing you as the other as a key secured. They'll review you every 4 to 6 months. They don't review you every 3 months. But hey, listen, it's still good anyway. It's still better than those banks that they are reviewing you every 6 months. They're reviewing you every 4 to 6 months. So you have the possibility to actually to get upgraded at least three times a year. That's kind of cool. If you were to go with a 4 month review process 3 times a year, that's really fantastic. So overall, if you think about it, if you have bad credit, you can still hope to actually get a credit card from a big bank. Just make sure that you choose between unsecured and secured, and you choose actually the right card based on the cashback, on the rewards, on the benefits the card is bringing to you versus what credit limit you can actually get by going with this card or that card. In conclusion, to this conversation, I'll share with you the best personal credit cards for bad credit from big banks. So we have Chase, Citi, Truist, Bank of America. You have PNC, Life. Okay. You have U.S. Bank. So regions, PNC, U.S. Bank, TD, Key Secured, and BMO. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.